Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me we have a Chevy Silverado with a really nasty dent on the passenger side rail. We are going to be using the glue pulling method to repair this damage. This is extreme. It's going through the body line. It's very deep as far as PDR goes, and it's also buckled up on the top. That looks great. Even the body line. We believe it came out fantastic using paintless dent repair. This kept the original paint job intact. And if you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard here in Cedar Park. Stop on by, give us a call, or look us up online. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.